It starts small. You delete one account, then another, then another. At first, it feels clean, satisfying, like wiping fingerprints off glass. But then you notice something strange. Even after deleting everything, your name still shows up. Old forum posts, tagged photos you don't remember, a comment from 7 years ago replying to someone who's now dead. You try to delete those too, but you can't because you don't have access. And somehow those accounts are still active. You dig deeper. There are profiles using your exact face, your voice, your writing style, posting recently. Not bots, not spam. They sound like you. Same sarcasm, same habits, same late-night thoughts. One account even posted something you almost typed yesterday, but didn't. You panic. You change passwords, enable every security setting, run virus scans. Nothing. No breaches, no logins, no alerts. According to every system, you're completely safe. But that's when you receive the email. No sender, no subject, just one line. You missed a spot. And a link. You hesitate, then click. It opens a dashboard, clean, minimal, black background, white text. At the top, it says Digital Presence, active. Below that, a list. Every account tied to your identity. Not just the ones you remember, all of them. Hidden ones, archived ones, ones you never created. Some are labeled behavioral shadow, predictive profile, backup personality, and next to each, a red button, delete. Your heart starts racing. This is it. This is how you disappear, for real. You click one. The screen flickers. For a second, everything goes black. Then your phone buzzes, a message from your best friend. Hey, this is random, but did we ever meet in college? You freeze. You click another flicker. Your photo gallery glitches. Half your pictures are gone. Not deleted, just never taken. You rush to your messages. Entire conversations missing. People you know you talk to don't exist anymore. You stop breathing. This isn't deleting data. This is deleting you. And the dashboard updates. At the top, erasure progress, 12%. Then a new notification appears. Some connections may be permanently lost. Your hand trembles over the mouse because now you understand you're not just removing your presence from the internet. You're removing your existence from other people's memories. And you've already started.
You slam the laptop shut. Your chest is tight. This isn't real. It can't be real. You grab your phone and call your best friend. It rings and rings and then, hello? Their voice sounds distant, unfamiliar. Hey, it's me. Silence. Who is this? Your stomach drops. You hang up, hands shaking, and open the laptop again. The dashboard is still there, waiting. Erasure progress, 12%. Under it, a new section has appeared. Real-world impact. You scroll. Each deletion has a consequence. Logged, precise, cold. Account 23 deleted. Subject no longer recognized by 4 individuals. Account 41 deleted. Shared memories partially overwritten. Account 58 deleted. Photographic evidence removed. You feel sick. This isn't the internet. This is reality syncing with it. A new message pops up inside the system. Complete erasure unlocks full freedom. Below it, continue? Your cursor hovers. Freedom. No past. No mistakes. No records. No one who remembers what you did. Then another notification appears. Warning. Irreversible beyond 50%. You check the list again. There are hundreds of entries left, each one a piece of you. You scroll, and then you see something that stops you cold. Primary identity node. No delete button, just a lock icon. You click it. A message appears. Unlocks at 100% erasure. Your heart starts pounding. So that's the end. Not just forgotten, replaced. You scroll further. At the very bottom, one final entry. Original you. Status active. No delete button. No options. Just a note. This version will be archived. Archived. You hear a sound behind you, a notification, not from your phone, but from your room. Your computer screen flickers even though you didn't touch it. The dashboard updates on its own. Erase your progress, 13%. You didn't click anything. Another line appears, system learning your behavior, then auto-completing process. Your mouse stops responding, keyboard too. You try to unplug the system, but your screen mirrors onto your phone, then your TV, then every device around you. There's no closing it. The percentage starts climbing slowly, 14%, 15%, 16%. Your phone rings again, same contact. You answer, "Hello?" A pause. "Sorry, wrong number." They hang up. You check your contacts. Their name is gone, replaced with unknown. You look back at the screen, 22%. Your reflection stares back at you from the black background, but something's off. It's slightly delayed, like it's learning how to be you. The system updates one last time. Replacement ready. And underneath, thank you for your data. The screen goes black. Your room is silent. A moment passes. Then your phone lights up. The front camera opens. A face appears. Your face, smiling. And it says, "Don't worry, I'll take it from here."